Hello friend, today I bought Creative SBS 150 speaker for my laptop and mobile. I heard quite of good review about it, so I bought it from Amazon, and the actual price is 9.99, and it cost me around 250. After some coupon I applied, and this is the box, and these are the speakers. I read so many comments about these speakers, and finally I thought to buy it. For normal, I'm not that much big fan of listening music, just a normal purpose I bought them. And the main reason for this is, first of all, this is creative, and second is obviously the price point. So these are the speakers. Here we have creative logo, and this is the speaker back side of this. The output is 2 watt, and now I'm going to play it. One thing I forgot to tell, it has a on off button, one light indicator, and one volume button. Nothing else. No dedicated key for button for bass and treble, and it has USB power input and 3.5 audio jack. Now I'm going to play one song. So you can experience the quality of sound. So for me, the sound is quite nice. At this price range, it is good. And as I live in a single room, so it's perfect for a one room. And friend